Inspire is a hospital-based youth project which works with young people across Wrexham and Flintshire. We support young people come through the wards in the hospital. We support young people through one-to-one sessions, and we work in the community by attending PSE sessions or going into youth clubs and delivering informal education around emotional health and well-being. Youth work is so important to young people because they're able to engage in a service through voluntary engagement and work with a youth worker to reach their goals in a place and space where they choose and where's most comfortable for them. Inspire works with other organisations such as CAMS. We work alongside CAMS therapeutic approaches, so we often offer practical support to assist the therapeutic intervention, and that's quite pivotal and key in our role. So a young person I've supported, she was referred to us via CAMS. When I met this young person, she was socially isolated, had broken down relationships within the family home, and her main goal in life was to die. Through engaging with Inspire, it took me a very, very long time to creatively engage with her and to open up. But through doing that and building that relationship, she was then able to find a purpose in life. She is now actually working for public services and has attended university and completed it and is really, really happy actually. I feel we're very valued by other organisations based on how we're able to quickly and effectively build relationships with young people. Most importantly, a lot of the feedback we get is that we've actually helped them save their lives.